Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn an art form from UP, Uttar Pradesh and Uttaranchal. It is called Aipan. So Aipan is the traditional art form. On every festival we decorate the house with Aipan. So let's start. So welcome everyone. We are going to learn a very traditional art form which actually my grandmother taught me. She used to take the rice powder paste or chalk powder paste and she used to draw designs from the finger like this. Okay, so she used to call it Aipan, and before every festival she used to say Aipan lagalo, and she used to teach me the designs. So for Aipan, we used to cover the floor or that piece where we have to decorate with geru. Geru is red color material, almost red. So on that we used to make it with initially long time back with rice powder paste and then with chalk powder paste. Material we need a red color paper or white paper we can use. Very thin brush, 000 brush, white color paint, compass, pencil, eraser, protector to draw the circle. We need dotting tool. Nowadays, earlier we used to do with the toothpick or with the broomstick stick, and we need soap water and a cloth. These are the basic things which we need. So let's start. First, I want everybody to draw the lines. So we'll start with basic lines. In this art also, the borders are very important. So first border I am leaving, that is only for framing. My first border is 0.5 centimeter. So I'm drawing with white pen so that you all can see on red paper. Later on, I'll cover it with white paint. Next line on the other side is also 0.5 centimeter. So our first border is ready. Now next will be 0.3 centimeter. So I'm going to measure 0.3 or roughly you can take 0.5. 0.5 is okay. If you can get 0.3, it's very good. Otherwise, take 0.5. Now, third line. Third line is 0.7 to 1 centimeter approximately. And fourth line is again 0.3 to 0.5 centimeter. Now same thing I'm going to do here. On the sides we are drawing only 3 lines and up and down we are drawing 4 lines. But if you want you can draw 4 lines. So our outer lines are ready. Now next step is to draw the corners. Because our paper is not rectangle, so we have to draw the corners. So please have the marking first at 4, then 4.5, then 7.5 and 8. So for corner, first line is at 4, 0.5 is second line, then another 2 line gap, so 7.5 and then 8. I'm going to draw same thing here. तो फर्स्ट सर्किल जो है मेरा 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस का है, then next circle is 4 centimeter, then next one is 6, next one is 7. So these are our circles. So in the center we are drawing Lakshmi Ji's feet. In each feet we draw the swastika. Now, next circle, I'll suggest everybody to take the protector and start dividing your center 30, 30, 30 degrees. Okay, like your first 30 degree will be here, then next. So full 360 degree circle, you divide into various parts. so that roughly you should know where you have to draw the lines. So that will give you equal size. So next thing is this design. This is the design in the innermost one, because I have divided it into 30, 30, 30. So my all the U's are almost equal. And now I'm going to erase these pencil marks. Okay, next one, in each 30 degree, we are drawing a triangle. Seven petals in each semicircle, and my each one is 30 degree. ये लोटस है, थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, ये कॉर्नर में मैं बना रही हूँ. So this is our border and this is the design, and I will start paint one corner. Touch only the tip of the brush. Some people draw a lotus instead of Lakshmi Ji's feet, or some people write Om. For white paper, please use red color pen. So our design will go like this. Our apron is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. धन्यवाद. Namaste.